Olive oil has been an important part of human history for thousands of years, with evidence of its use dating back to ancient civilizations in the Mediterranean region. The ancient Greeks and Romans used olive oil extensively in their diets and as a medicine, and it played a significant role in their religious and cultural practices as well. In fact, the ancient Greeks even used olive oil to anoint their Olympic champions. The production of olive oil also played a key role in the economy of ancient Greece and Rome, with wealthy landowners often owning large olive groves and pressing facilities. During the Middle Ages, olive oil continued to be a valuable commodity in Europe, where it was used both for cooking and as a source of fuel for lamps. In the 15th and 16th centuries, the explorers and traders of Europe brought olive oil to the Americas, where it gradually became a popular ingredient in Latin American cuisine. Today, olive oil is still widely used around the world, and countries such as Italy, Greece, Spain, and Tunisia are major producers and exporters of this versatile and nutritious oil. Olive oil is used in cooking, skincare, and even in religious ceremonies, and its history and cultural significance continue to be celebrated and studied by historians and food enthusiasts alike. Extra virgin olive oil is widely used in cooking and as a salad dressing. It has a high content of monounsaturated fatty acids, which are considered healthy fats, and is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Here are some of the potential health benefits of consuming extra virgin olive oil. Heart health. Studies have shown that consuming extra virgin olive oil can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and reducing inflammation. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants in extra virgin olive oil may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in the breast and digestive tract. Brain health. Extra virgin olive oil has been found to have a protective effect on the brain, reducing the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Weight management. Despite being a high-fat food, consuming extra virgin olive oil has been linked to weight loss and improved body composition. Digestive health. The anti-inflammatory compounds in extra virgin olive oil may help improve digestive health by reducing inflammation in the gut. Overall, incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet can have numerous health benefits. However, it's important to remember that like all fats, it's high in calories and should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Drinking extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach can be beneficial. Start with a small amount. Begin with just a teaspoon or two of extra virgin olive oil to see how your body reacts. Some people may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea or diarrhea, when consuming too much oil at once. Choose only a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Mix it 1 tablespoon with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of warm water and ½ teaspoon of pure honey on an empty stomach. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating anything after consuming the oil. This allows your body time to digest and absorb the nutrients in the oil. It is always best to consult a healthcare professional before trying any new dietary practices, including drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. When selecting a quality extra virgin olive oil, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. Look for a reputable brand. Choose a brand that is well known and respected for producing high-quality olive oil. Check the label. Make sure the label indicates that the olive oil is extra virgin and that it was produced by mechanical means only, without the use of chemicals or solvents. Look for a harvest date or best by date to ensure freshness. Taste the oil. If possible, taste the olive oil before purchasing it. Quality extra virgin olive oil should have a fruity, slightly bitter taste, and a peppery finish. Consider the color. While color is not necessarily an indicator of quality, a greenish yellow hue can be a sign of freshness. Check the packaging. Look for olive oil that is stored in a dark glass bottle, which helps to protect the oil from light and oxidation. Avoid bargains. High-quality extra virgin olive oil can be expensive, so if you come across a deal that seems too good to be true, it probably is. Yes, you can cook with extra virgin olive oil. It is a common misconception that extra virgin olive oil should not be used for cooking due to its slow smoke point. While it is true that extra virgin olive oil has a lower smoke point compared to other oils, it is still a suitable option for cooking at lower temperatures. Extra virgin olive oil is ideal for sautéing vegetables, stir-frying, and even baking. It adds a rich flavor to dishes and contains beneficial nutrients that can be retained even after cooking. However, it is not recommended to use extra virgin olive oil for deep frying, as the high heat can break down its chemical structure and create harmful compounds. In summary, extra virgin olive oil can be used for cooking at lower temperatures, but it is important to avoid using it for deep frying or high heat cooking. If you like this video and wishes to be advised of new upload, please like, subscribe and make sure to hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.